fae the slums to the underground, fae drug to no even drunk. Got a bud, man, I could murder one. And don't go looking at me funny just cause you've no got the courage to be sober as judges. I don't love yous, fuck yous, you're lucky to have me. The one and only fast or slowly boy interrupted. New one, two, take a look at what booze can do. Should watch what you choose to use, put a foot in my shoes and lose. I'm on my game more than yous, don't take cane, herbs or booze. You'll never fund me up in something with my mate's residue. So you've paid fares and dues to these cunts at Coca. You don't budge, you see me getting a fuck, you're doped up, your soul hurts, and so does your nut. Fuck your system, my ambitions are delicious. Pump up the rhythm and listen, you don't need nothing to enhance your performance. It's he who keeps his shit together that can stand up the longest. Clap your hands, everybody dance, skip to the ranch. What's the chance? Say a little man whipping some ass. Mixed my plans with some gritty rap, tipping my glass. Quit the hash, started lifting, I'm living for once. Clap your hands, everybody dance, skip to the ranch. What's the chance? Say a little man whipping some ass. Mixed my plans with some gritty rap, tipping my glass. Quit the hash, started lifting, I'm living for once. You don't stall as soon as the snow for your nose calls. You've lost all, you've sold all your morals in both balls. Your whole falls, even though you ran out of phone calls, it got solved. You stole off of Peter and sold Paul. Now while we, the cunts that are smoking the hash trees are class C's, and half of their heats if you ask me. I'm mask free, broke out of the shell that harassed me. Had a daft spree, but all that shit's bad for you. But for fuck's sake, how much merriest can I cunt take in the one place? Reminded the J's with my bump plays. Hate Sundays, cause that's when they dare me to come play on the runway and sail into space on a drug plane. See, it's tough to love and love's tough, so here's some tough love to fill your cups up. You're stuck on these drugs, you know you fucked up. A swift about turn and pull your soaks up. What? Clap your hands, everybody dance, skip to the ranch. What's the chance? Say a little man whipping some ass. Mixed my plans with some gritty rap, tipping my glass. Quit the hash, started lifting, I'm living for once. Clap your hands, everybody dance, skip to the ranch. What's the chance? Say a little man whipping some ass. Mixed my plans with some gritty rap, tipping my glass. Quit the hash, started lifting, I'm living for once. I'll switch it up with nothing you've heard. This is for every cunt and any cunt is pissed as fucking having a fail. Swallowing bucket in the dirty, hinking what goes out your nut just won't hurt you. Disregarding the one that really loves you. The merry that shit you take, the merry your life you waste. And any advice will chase you back to the pipe again. The reason your mind away makes cunts are all too scared to go through it sober, roll over. You're just a puppy dog, a fucking mug, a heavy no hoper. See me backing up work with action, relaxing with a faction. Pass me the gin and I'm passing, it's like I'm lasting. Faced with the rations, I'm passionate. Tell you the script without you asking it. Just let me bask in it. Know the glory, the story. Holy moly, smoking roly polies and dropping knees is go to slow you. That's the wacky zeros that I know when I'm old. But we'll not make it to that stage if we ignore what we're told. Clap your hands, everybody dance, skip to the ranch. What's the chance? Say a little man whipping some ass. Mixed my plans with some gritty rap, tipping my glass. Quit the hash, started lifting, I'm living for once. Clap your hands, everybody dance, skip to the ranch. What's the chance? Say a little man whipping some ass. Mixed my plans with some gritty rap, tipping my glass. Quit the hash, started lifting, I'm living for once.